Kids. Linus. 2008. Kids are out of control, thinking they could ride with a veteran soldier from the opposite side without paying respects, cause they don't be digging the subliminal, almost criminal jams that I'm slinging. It's like meeting Michael Jordan when you hate his team, so gotta be showing love the way he changed the game. And if you disagree, I won't apologize. I'm making music for me, it's just an exercise, like lifting weights. I'm building lyrical muscle, still staying on my grind all the time. I'm a hustle, yeah, if you wanna tussle, you can get smacked up. I have the horn to warn you, hit you like a Mack truck, cause I'm big and nasty, about 6'2", and I'm trying to do what Bill Hicks would do. Look in the eyes of love, and what you see is real. In the language I speak, the word for sin is fair. I read braille like I'm blind to y'all, but I can see it coming even through the thickest walls. Like my vision is X-ray, X-rated dog. Color NC-17, my voice porno raw, and I'm a carnivore without the Ferris wheel. Just bumper cause I'm fiberglass and stainless steel. I ain't afraid to kill, I gotta get my meals. And if you question me, then you're about to see that I'm real.
In God I'm flawed, even a diamond is raw. If you look at it hard, cause I lie. And yeah, our friends, and no, you may not be down, but if y'all let me be one, I am far beyond the curve. I'm only taking the things that I am sure I deserve. Said that I don't include your crap, so I'm gonna do what I need to. Gonna shut up and rap.
Rank, point blank, we vital. Spit flows, rip shows, peep the recital. Skills, now you feel it when we drop those hot beats, stop foes, killing shit. We got those skills. It's the music that the street loves. Each thug is now repping this with deep love. Skills, gangstar, dueling again, ruling again. Watch as we do it again. It's the true living with a youthful vengeance. And I'm a judge, laugh at your ass, give you a crucial sentence. You need at least 12 joules to practice. You're too enthusiastic, male groupie bastard. Still trying to convince us some more, pretending you're raw. That's what you need a minister for. Again, it's the law. Got you up against the wall. We the gulliest. Fuck it, then it's us against y'all. Mic skills, tight drills like I'm Michael Jill. Like when he rifle the pill, it's how I stifle the ill. Slide off, kid, and let a grown man finesse it. We bold and impressive, that'll I manifest shit. Some new product from a known team. Niggas know me, and you can bet they know Preem. So here we go for your stereo, and you can tell that it's real when you hear me go, hear me go. Skills, top rank, point blank, we vital. Spit flows, rip shows, peep the recital. Skills, now you feel it when we drop those hot beats, stop foes, killing shit. We got those skills. It's the music that the street loves. Each thug is now repping this with deep love. Skills, gangstar, dueling again, ruling again. Watch as we do it again. You little suckers know better. I go head up. If your man left the joint in the whip, then tell him go get it. We hold it down like a holy crown. Fools acting like they know me, throw me phony pounds. Fuck that, I'm sitting back like an aristocrat. Shell shock, chief assassin with a whole fucking list of cats. Thought you was on the case, but you missed the fact. Your bitch talking this and that. I'ma make it simple, Jack. I doubled up and tripled that. Soldiers, where your pistols at? Life wrong move, lose the gift of that. Why they calling us the most consistent, most significant, some most slick shit. Fulfill your need and catch a joyful rush. Enjoy your Dutch, haters annoyed with us. Oh boy, it's us, you know the face from the club, blazing the dub, with my niggas raising it up for these skills. Top rank, point blank, we vital. Spit flows, rip shows, peep the recital. Skills, now you feel it when we drop those hot beats, stop foes, killing shit. We got those skills. It's the music that the street loves. Each thug is now repping this with deep love. Skills, gangstar, dueling again, ruling again. Watch as we do it again. Brothers are amused by other brothers' reps. Some niggas pull texts, catch others for checks. All for respect, all for the bread. For the chance of success, they might hand him his head. Remain humble cause I know enough. plus the road is tough, especially when you roll with us. But I'ma stay with my peeps, stay in these streets, rhyme spraying and I'm playing for keeps, cause I got those skills. Top rank, point blank, we vital. Spit flows, rip shows, peep the recital. Skills. Now, you feel it when we drop those hot beats, stop foes, killing shit, we got those skills. It's the music that the street loves, each thug is now repping this with deep love. Skills. Gangstar dueling again, ruling again, watch as we do it again. Skills.